Top of the day to you all, and welcome once again to Module 4 of Edu 314. In this module, we shall be talking about sources of research problem and how to state the problem. You know, the other time I told you that in a few months' time, you'll be assigned to your supervisors, and your supervisor will tell you to go and bring 2 or 3 topics from which one of them will be chosen for you. Now, how do you now get those topics? Both the experienced and beginner researchers can benefit from the following sources for problem location. The first one is reading assignments in textbooks, special assignments, research reports, and term paper will suggest additional areas of needed research. You know, when you say research report, you are talking about your final year projects. That is the final year projects written by your seniors, your senior colleagues. You take them, you read them. At the end of the report, there is always a suggestion for further reading. From there, you can pick a topic from it. For example, the other time we talked about effectiveness of cooperative learning method on student academic achievement. A student may just concentrate on looking at the effectiveness of the Jigsaw cooperative learning method and that of conventional lecture method on student academic achievement without looking into the influence of gender. So at the end of the report of such a researcher, he or she will suggest that further reading on the influence of gender should be conducted. So from there, you just pick it, and you now make your own topic to be the influence of gender or gender effects on the use of Jigsaw cooperative learning strategy on student academic achievement. It's a fine and accurate topic. So if you go to your library, you pick projects written in your subject area and read widely. You get enough topics from them. The second one is research articles often suggest techniques and procedure for the attack on other problems. At the end of reports of many research articles, suggestions for further study are stated. Hence, a researcher can come across the problem to be investigated by reading journal articles. You know, we have what's called journal articles. That is a book whereby people in the academia, that is your lecturers, they contribute academic papers in it. And from there, you read relevant articles. And at the end of each article, just like the example I cited on research report, there are always also suggestions for further reading. So from there also, you can get topics to examine. The third one is consultation with the supervisors and experienced researchers could be helpful. Yes, maybe you have gotten about 3 or 4 topics. You don't know how to really navigate through them. You consult your supervisors. Your supervisor will surely guide you through. The other one is the supervisor will help students clarify their thinking. That's in the furtherance of the third method or the third source. The supervisor will help students clarify their achievements, focus and develop manageable problems from where you can, easily choose one. That is from simple to complex. Researcher can also draw from professional and personal experience, from field work, teaching practice, lectures, seminar, conferences, teaching, etc. If you have been going to seminars and conferences, you listen to paper presenters, you collected their papers, and at your leisure hour, you go through them, you should be able to get something out of those papers, which you can use as topics. Then, when you say professional experience, like during your first teaching practice exercise, you must have observed some things that has to do with teaching and learning. You can bring it up as a research topic to examine them and to find solution to them. Then researcher can also source a problem from proposition, that is the learning theories, counseling theories, management theories, which can account for or explain certain phenomenon or event. This one is talking about, from proposition, the Skinner theories, the theories of many theorists. You can examine them, what they talk about, their applications or implications on teaching and learning. You may want to look at the veracity of their claim. So you take any one of their theories up and you turn it a researchable topic. Now the unit 2, how to state the problem. I think we had already done this earlier in module 3 now. But statement of the problem is simply a definition of what the researcher intends to do. There are many ways of stating research problem. A problem may be stated in declarative or question form. The most appropriate way to state a research problem is to state it in a question form. It may be in form of several questions or single question, which must be precise and concise. The other time I was giving you example that many researchers have reported that Jigsaw cooperative learning method has influence on the academic achievement of student. That is, that method brings about positive academic achievement or improves student academic achievement in various subject areas. Those reports did not talk about the effectiveness of Jigsaw cooperative learning method on student academic achievement in government. You now conclude by saying, if used, that is, if Jigsaw cooperative learning method is used to teach students government, will it bring about the improvement in their academic achievement? Something of that nature under your statement of problem. Apart from stating it at the end of your background to the study, you still have to have a caption that has to do with statement of problem. So under that, you elaborate on your statement of problem. With this, we have come to the end of module 4 of Edu 314. Do have a great day.